I'm staying here the night, show you my hotel, show you my room. I'm not gonna pay for it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Vicenza and you might be asking yourself, okay, so we'll have another walking tour, we have another travel vlog probably. No. Today I actually have a kind of a different video for you. I have a very exciting idea to share with you. The thing is, I'm staying here the night, I'm staying here in the hotel, but I'm not gonna pay for it. I know that sounds shocking. This is not an ad, this is not an invite or something. I am just not gonna pay for my hotel. But of course you might be asking yourselves how and why, and I will tell you that at the end of this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. But before spilling you all the secrets, guys, I want to show you my hotel, I want to show you my hotel room, give you a little room tour before actually telling you how you, or probably your friends, your loved ones, could stay in any given hotel across Europe without paying as well. Now guys, let's go! Okay guys, I'm here in the hotel now. Let's try to find my room. No, it's not this one. So it should be this one, right? So guys, here is my room today and I'd say I really like it. So here is the bed. Oh, the mirror. I'm here. I'm sorry you couldn't see me earlier. But, so what else do we have here? Oh, look! There is some coffee and tea and also the coffee machine, I guess. Ah, that's not bad at all. TV. So, here, oh, look, here is a Capricorn. I'm a Capricorn, so I think it's nice, really cute. If you want to comment me your zodiac sign. Not that I really believe it, but I think it's cute. Here we have a little sitting area, and I think this is not bad at all. Yeah, you know, you can sit here and have coffee. Also, they gave me this map of the city. Okay, so here is this map of the city, and we can actually find the hotel here probably. It's over there. So the hotel is not really central and it's really convenient if you're coming by car, but I will tell you later all about my stay, and I will actually explain that you don't need to stay in a hotel that is not that central. Now here we have the wardrobe with some of the stuff that I have already left there. Let's see what we can find in the bathroom. Ooh, there is a huge mirror. I like it. There's a bath! Guys, that's not bad at all. So, what else can we find here? Lots of supplies, shampoo, lots of other stuff. I think not bad at all. Oh, yeah, dental kit. I like it. So guys, I can safely say that this hotel is really good, considering the fact I didn't pay for my stay. I like it even more. Okay guys, so I'll keep exploring for now what we have here. The way how we do what we do makes the difference. Oh, thank you. I like it. Now, what we have here? This one is, oh, a mini bar. No, there is nothing inside. I hoped for a little bit more, but that's okay. Just some water. Now, what's next? Okay, nothing here. And nothing here, but it's fine, you know, considering the fact that we have some coffee and tea and, you know, that's not bad. Good morning, guys! So, in the morning after we've spent the night here in the hotel in Vicenza, and I have to say that I really love this stay, I really love the room, and I hope you enjoyed my little room tour as well. And I actually was quite pleased with the breakfast as well, and I think this is a perfect option if you are staying for just one night, quickly sightseeing, walking around the city. And now finally I'm getting to the whole secret of how I stayed here without paying. So actually I think this opportunity is a perfect idea for a gift that you can give to your loved ones, to your friends or family members. And the whole experience, the whole idea is called Smart Box, and this is the little card that I received as a gift. And this card actually gives me the opportunity to stay one night in any hotel in Italy and across Europe as well, with the breakfast for 2 people. And I think that was really fun and exciting. Smart Box do have various opportunities, various experiences. So there could be the dinner for 2, or just wine tasting, or even adventure experience, or a stay in a hotel as I had, or even a spa evening or spa day. The experiences are endless, the possibilities are endless, and you can choose the one that will suit best your loved ones, your friends and family members, or even yourself, because why not treating yourself to something really pleasant and exciting. And guys, also, since it's Christmas season, since it's that time of the year when you're probably asking yourself what to give as a gift to someone you care about, because I certainly do ask myself that question, I think that could be a really cool idea. Because instead of giving something that you might not know if the person would like or not, you can give them an experience. And I think that's so fun, giving someone an experience to enjoy with their loved ones, and something that would be memorable, something that would stay with them for a very long time. Why not? Why not giving an experience as a Christmas gift? I think that is really, really cool. The coolest thing is that the experience is valid for up to 2 years, so the person will not have to do that immediately, to do that right away, and they can also change the experience, sometimes for an additional price, sometimes for free, based on what experience would they like to have instead. So even if that happens and you didn't get the experience right, they may change it and they will still enjoy your gift. So guys, I think that could be a really cool idea, especially for this Christmas season, but also for other festivities as well, and just for birthdays, or as I said before, just to treat yourself. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I actually wanted to tell you about this opportunity because I think that we all might need some advice on Christmas shopping, Christmas gift shopping this year, and I hope that you really liked it. So if you like this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up, comment and share it with your friends. And you can thank me for giving you this idea by subscribing to my channel so you don't miss anything else, and so you get all the notifications for the upcoming videos. So hit the bell button down there, guys. Stay tuned, I have a new video of Vicenza coming very soon, and I have so many other exciting surprises for you guys. Thank you for being here and enjoy your day.